Hey everyone! Today I'm excited to take you on a virtual journey to one of the most mystic spots on Moheshkhali Island, the Adhinaat Temple. Perched high atop Moinak Hill, this temple isn't just a spiritual sanctuary, it's an architectural gem that promises visitors a panoramic view that will leave you breathless. Now imagine this. You're climbing the hill, the air gets cooler with each step, and with every breath you feel more connected to the serene vibes of this place. Once you reach the top, the Adhinaat Temple stands majestically before you, its intricate designs whispering tales of devotion and history. And here's something you wouldn't want to miss: the Adhinaat Fair. Held during the month of Falgun, this fair is a vibrant festival of colors, cultures, and traditions, observed by the locals with much fervor. It's a time when the whole island comes alive with energy and joy. So, whether you're a travel enthusiast, a history buff, or someone seeking a bit of spiritual solace, Adhinaat Temple on Moheshkhali Island is calling your name. Trust me, it's not just a visit, it's an experience that will enrich your soul. See you there. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.